squeeze in the lift. Welcome to Nice!
Welcome! And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
This is probably one of the most deserted airports that I've been so far. This is a Russian operative by Miss Mama. Yeah.
So what does it say, Kuya?
Okay. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Okay, to enter the building.
Oh my god, it's really like...
So it's in here, isn't
No,
it?
I don't think so.
What's
No,
the
it's 3 to 5 Avenue.
3 to 5
So I think we have to go
Sud.
somewhere.
Yeah, okay. Avenue de Sud.
Bango? Okay, we're here.
Then take the elevator.
Kuya, what is so ano? Is there power?
Here. That one.
Yeah.
Appel.
Appel.
Yeah.
Is that... Does appel mean elevator?
Yeah.
Or lift? Okay. Oh my god, it's so small!
Okay.
Hello?
Ay! Ano ba yan? Hindi marunong. Ayan.
Then dito kayo bro. Okay ako dito.
We have just arrived here in Nice. Here's our apartment, but because we're famished, first things first, we're gonna eat!
Yeah.
Okay, so we ordered carbonara. What's this one?
Magna de Canal.
Which is duck.
Duck, yeah. It's a
Duck.
And we're still waiting for a pizza.
Yay! Pizza! Hope it's good. So what's
French
ano?
101. French food 101.
How do you say it? Margra.
Se pronounce Magna de Canal.
Oh. What's that? It's roast duck.
Roast duck with some frites, French fries.
Oh, okay.
Frites. Avec
What's that? I
I
don't
don't
know what
know.
this is.
Yeah. It looks like ratatouille.
Here she is!
Yeah, because
After 3 years!
Brunch na lang, tapos dinner. Yun lang yung kakainin natin. Brunch tsaka dinner. Tsaka...
We've just eaten dinner.
Yes.
It was nice. The
I'm already
carbonara.
broke.
We're already broke the first night. So we're looking for... What is it? Like a convenience store.
Mac.
There's Mac there. And we're only going to MacDo,
Oh, is it?
not Mac. We're already broke on the first night.
Yaman, diba? Lalo na sa Monaco.
Ah, ganun pala yun. Look at that. There's a lot of security.
Ito, ay close na. Ay, parang wala na. Wala pa sa 24 hours.
Like, this place is proper guarded. I think there's just an event that has just finished. So people are just literally leaving. And we are back in Nice and we are done with our trip to Monaco. I hope that I was able to impart to you tips and hints for your trip to Monaco. We spent the afternoon by the seashore admiring the sunset and the beautiful beach of the French Riviera.
Careful. How's the water? Kaya? It's like proper rock beach. Yeah, that's right. Ow! Ay! Is it deep? Yun nga, mahirap nga. Matakit na pa ako.
Experiencing the beach made us understand why it is actually called Côte d'Azur. The blue waters are mesmerizing. The name doesn't talk about rocky shores though, so better bring some aqua shoes. This is giant profiterole,
all of us.
and then 3 iced coffee for all of us.
Ang ganda, promise.
Last night in the French Riviera. Yeah, our blue team, pink team. Am I a team on my own?
Yes, you
But anyway, we're here in Rue Plage, and we're just enjoying the sunset, having some drinks and a bit of sweet dessert. After sunset, we decided to have dinner in one of the market squares. And we have found this amazing restaurant that I would highly recommend to you. It's called Musafai. They have outdoor seating where you can enjoy the great market vibe at night. But it could get really busy and full, so we have decided to take the indoor seats, which actually gave us a bit of a privacy and which was really good as well.
En dessert, qu'est-ce qu'ils doivent sauver?
Cassis pêche poire.
Ouais. Pâtisserie du jour.
Nous, fraisier, gâteau, fraise.
We're here in Lay Safari and we have just opted for the 3-course meal, and we have just received the first course, which is the calamari. It's the same. And because we're very adventurous with our food choices, we ordered the same food. So obviously Evis got the calamari and Kuya as well. There you go. It's quite a lot more than we've expected it. So let's start the dinner for our last night in Bon appetit!
Dinray pa to before.
Tapos nausos pa rin siya.
After dinray, dinray.
Salmon, mashed potatoes, fried aubergine, and then leafy salad things that I just eat whenever I'm in a restaurant.
And I don't eat the leafy stuff.
good. It melts in the mouth.
Yun nga.
Good. Salmon's good. It's also good.
Ito sa aubergine.
It tastes like a mottling aubergine. The way they cooked it now. I'm not really a fan of
It's,
aubergine.
it's a very delectable taste of let's flow that's along with your palate.
Dapat sinasabi mo yan sa vlog ko. Mash ball.
Masarap yung mash. Ang parang ang daming butter or something.
It's very buttery. Very buttery, very fine.
Fine.
Tama po.
Very creamy.
Gusto ko yan. Sarap ng
Very creamy. Try it.
No.
mash nila.
Mash. Well, well, I can say that the pie really, really coincide with the salmon. It's really an effervescence in your mouth that's bursting all the flavors and.
How do you say in French?
En français? No. I'm run out of my français now.
Guys, ang sarap. 5 out of 5. To try it. I've got strawberry cake. Atlet's got sorbet. Kuya's got the same.
Escasser on gâteau. It's a fantastic, delicious, super.
Cheers! Oy, 3 years of friendship.
More holidays.
More
More
holidays together.
holidays! Cheers! I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments below. Subscribe to my channel for more fun videos, and make sure that you hit the bell button so you will be updated of my next videos, because in the next vlog I will be showing you what to do in Nice if you only have a day. But that's it for now. See you next time somewhere around the world.